How's everybody doing? Dave here. Oh, look, someone left the door open. It wasn't me, but the air conditioner's in now. Anyways, no major changes. Everything's pretty quiet here at the farm. My X3 arrived, which is the one I'm on right now. I'm trying to see if there's too much of a difference between the X2 and the X3, or the way they say it, the 1X2 with the X3. I wouldn't know. I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube as soon as I get a chance to set up the laptop. Try out the X3. I tried it out in the Gold Gym before I got to work. Took it underwater. Now, it's gonna look a little bit ugly underwater, but it's not the fault of the camera. I'm pretty sure it's not the fault of the camera. The water was a little bit, it is clean, but it's not crystal clear clean. I've seen swimming pools that are real crystal clean. This one had a little bit of a haze in the water, like they haven't cleaned it for a while. Although it was swimmable, I wasn't gonna get sick or anything, but it wasn't like completely clear. And I've seen that pool a lot more clear than it was today. So I can't blame the camera if it didn't give me a clear picture. Because I've had other instances where that swimming pool is a lot more clear and a lot more cleaner. What I'll do, instead of going to the one on Northeast Austin, I'll go to the one that's north of Austin. There's another Gold Gym there. It's got a brand new pool, a brand new building, or it's the new type of Gold Gym building. The design was different from the older one. That's all I gotta say up to now, other than the fact that today is the 29th of September, day before yesterday, and I would say yesterday also, Florida had suffered a Category 4 hurricane. There's a lot of disorganization in those small towns where it was affected by the hurricane. I don't have too many friends over there other than some people at West Palm Beach, but they called in, they were fine. And Terry Martin, that lives in Key West, he's a good friend of mine also. But I checked with him, he seems okay. He uploaded some pictures on on Facebook. He seems to be okay, so luckily the hurricane didn't hit Key West. It went a little bit higher, so. Other than that, there's nothing else here. As I said, I just returned from the Philippines back in August. I had to go through many obstacles, many hard obstacles just to even make it to the Philippines, and then even to come back. It wasn't what you would call the perfect vacation. So, at the end, I still had a good time. I spent it with a good friend of mine that lives in Bohol, Melinda Buses. She's got two little girls that live there with her, and they were awfully glad to see me. I hadn't seen her in years, and that's because I usually go to the Philippines every year with the exception of COVID. I hadn't been over there for 3 years because of COVID, but she's doing okay. She's happy. She's got a good job, stable life, wonderful kids. There's a video on that on YouTube. While we spent the day 2 days before my flight back to the United States, I spent the whole day in Bohol with Merlinda and the kids. Wonderful people, beautiful people. Everybody in the Philippines, or the majority of them, are 99.9% of the people of the Philippines are nice people. They're very generous. They're very nice people. I have nothing against the people of the Philippines. It's just that 1% that sometimes ruins the vacation. So, anyways, that's enough of me. Let's see how this video is going to come out, and I'll upload it on YouTube, directly on 360 probably, because I could probably do it on reframe for you movie editors. You should know what I'm talking about. But I'm probably just going to go ahead and do it on 360. I want to see the full clarity of this video. Excuse me. Y'all have a good night, and God bless.